So I've got my page with some text and a picture here, and I'm just going to add a translation button so that this English can be translated into any language. And a very quick way of doing that is I've got a tab open here next to my J2E tab, and I just did a search for Google Translate toolbar, and I just chose this particular one here, and the one underneath gives you just buttons to translate into just one particular language, so you can experiment with those, but I'm just going to choose this one here, and it then gives us some code which we need. So a single click actually highlights everything, but if it doesn't highlight, just double click in there, and then I'm just going to right click and copy this code, go back to J2E. Now on my page I just need to make sure that I've selected a web page document rather than a paper, because a web page basically makes it into HTML, so the Google Translation toolbar will work. I'm going to add the toolbar over here, so I need to use one of these tools to insert it. So the tool we need is this one, which looks like a palette and a triangle, and if you hover over it, it says record a sound or embed a web URL. So we're going to embed some code, so that's what I need. I'm not recording a sound, so I'm just going to choose the top one, drag out a little square, it doesn't really matter how big that is, and then when this box comes up, right click and paste and just say OK. We now need to view this, so if you just click save and view, the button right in the corner over here, and then it'll go away and show this page, and I think I'd already chosen a language here, but you can drop this down and choose a different language and it will start the translation process. Now what happens is on Internet Explorer, probably doesn't do this in Chrome, but on Internet Explorer it kind of gets stuck here, and to undo that you just need to choose compatibility view, because some changes have been made basically to the new version of Internet Explorer. And so my text, let's just put that back in English. So this is my page with my text, title and some writing and a photograph next to it, and this is where I put my Google Translate button, and well, it goes off and changes it, and let's just choose a language which the pupils might be doing. So if we can change that to French, and I think also Spanish is here somewhere, and we can see what our writing looks like in Spanish, and you can go the other way as well. So if pupils are writing something in French, and then they can translate it to see whether the translation works when they convert it to English. So the title changed and the text changed. The reason this didn't change is because I converted this to a picture so I could add some color to it. So this is essentially become a picture really, but if you hover over it, it gives you the translation, which is, you know, quite good. So that's it.